the only powders I have to blend that. I think I'm gonna use this one and see what happens. And I'm gonna go. Y'all let me know if it's disappearing. Like how we be doing. Wait a minute now. Okay, up close you can see it. Cause why you that close to me anyway? You know what I'm saying? Why would you be that close to me? I know it's wrong to say. Can we talk? Yeah, I'll be glad when I get my regular voice back. Yes, I do got on a filter because I want to. But yeah, I'm gonna put on a little bit of. Gloss. No, I really wanted to do my makeup, but I just didn't feel like it. I'm gonna take the filter off though. I'm gonna take the filter off and then play in my face a little bit. Filter is off. It's like you can see it, but not really, and I'm okay with that. Y'all, I'm gonna. This is like you see. Okay. And I feel like this is closest when I'm just trying to have some spots and put some concealer under my eyes. Sir. So he gonna be mad when he see this makeup. And then, like, should I put some? I think I should just put like a little blush on, right? Or just like contour my face a little bit, or some pressed powder. Hold on. Y'all see what I did? Now here I come. So I'm gonna just like add some color around. Oof. Just I gotta be light on it, just to get some definition to my face. Yeah, I don't know. This was literally like very unplanned. I just wanted to see if I can like give myself something really, really, really natural. And then I think I should just like go in with some blush, right? You see how my nose is already red. So I'm gonna go in with this blush. I need to hurry up because I don't have a lot of time. Oof, that's a bit much on that side. Okay, I'm officially looking crazy. Hold on. Okay, then I'm gonna just try to like go in under the eye with some pressed powder. Makeup forever. What is it giving? I look white as shit. I don't know. Wait. Okay, this is what it's giving. I see like these.
Happy birthday. Hey.
I kind of ate that real quick, real fast.
Cheese.
Say cheese. I'm about to get dinner started. I don't think I'm gonna record it because I don't feel like it. If we being real. Ooh, y'all see that pimple coming? I just started my cycle, so yeah. I don't feel like doing all of that. I kind of want to get this video out today. Sorry, y'all can't see. I kind of want to get this video out today, so yeah, that's just a lot of editing and cutting and stuff that I don't feel like doing. So I'm just gonna cook and show y'all what it ends up looking like. I am sauteing my veggies for my chicken. I got my potatoes cut up and my chicken is seasoned. So I'm gonna make a gravy, which is gonna have the chicken broth, the cream of chicken, and then the veggies in it, and then I'm gonna pour it on top of the chicken. I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, and that's for my mac and cheese. I'm gonna put my potatoes in there. Yeah, we'll be back. So this is what the chicken is given before I put it in the oven.